but managed to grab all the news headlines. So Sangakkara and the cricketers became the breaking news. CNN, Al Jazeera, BBC, Reuters, Associated Press, everyone. Indian channels, Sri Lankan channels, all over the world. Every channel broadcast this attack. Right? So they became the breaking news to the whole world. They experienced only for 15 minutes. But soldiers experienced this thing for 30 years. Every day. So Sangakkara says, this is unfair. We experienced only for a few minutes and became the breaking news of the whole world. You experience this thing every day. Sorry. The soldier looked me in the eye. The soldier looked directly, looked me in the eye. Very stern, very firm look. So that means if a person looks at the eye, that means his ideas, his feelings, his emotions are genuine. Right? මනුස්සයෙක් ඇස් දෙක දිහා බලලා කතා කරනවා කියලා කියන්නේ ඒ මනුස්සයාගේ genuine feelings. අර එහෙම fake feelings ඔකට තියෙනවා. ඕගලන්ට ඉස්සරහට poem එකක් එනවා අපි ඉතින් කතා කරමු. Once upon a time, right? Ice block cold ice කියලා ඉතින් කියන්නේ poem එකේ. Ice block cold ice. Right? So unlike that way, this person, this soldier looks directly in the eye. So that means he's genuine. This is his genuine feeling. He looked me in the eye. සමහරට ඕක අහන්න පුළුවන්. Extract එක දීලා what is meant by or why does this soldier looked in the eye? What is meant by this look in the eye? Right? This are ඒවා මතක තියාගන්න. Replied, underline that part. It's okay if I die. It's my job and I am ready for it. See the idea of the soldier. If I die, it's okay. It's my job. Are you ready to get a job like that? To die? To die is the job. Are you ready to accept that job? Are you ready? No. Nobody is willing to accept that job. If your job is to die, we don't like that job. But the soldier says, this is my job. What? To die. I'm ready for it. See his selflessness. He's ready to die. For whom? For the country, for the people. Right? Sangakkara cannot have that idea. Sangakkara never, he will never die for the country. He will play cricket for the country. But he is not ready to die for the country. But the soldier is ready to die for the country. And this soldier says to Sangakkara, you are a hero. The soldier who is ready to die for the country and who experienced this terrorist attacks, threats, shells, bombs, grenades every day, says Sangakkara, you are a hero. Now tell me, why does the soldier say Sangakkara is a hero? How Sangakkara becomes a hero? Why? What makes him a hero? What makes him a hero for the soldier who is ready to die for the country? That soldier says, "You are a hero." Why? What is the reason? Just tell me. Why? Anyone? Hurry up. ඇයි සංගක්කාරට මෙහෙම හීරෝ කෙනෙක් කියලා කියන්නේ? මේ soldier who is a war hero. Why? What is the reason? Anuttara? Yes? Anyone? Dinesh? Hurry up. How has Sangakkara become a hero? What is the reason? Nothing. Cricket. Just cricket. Because of cricket, Sangakkara becomes a hero to this hero even. This war hero. These war heroes regard the cricketers as heroes. There's a nice thing where 1996 වල World Cup එක ලංකාව දිනුවා. ඒ දිනන මැච් එක 1996 දැන් ෆයිනල් මැච් එක ගහන දවසේ unofficially එතකොට යුද්ධය යනවා. ලංකාවේ දරුණුවටම යුද්ධය යනවා. 96 දී මේ පාර්ශව දෙකම LTT ශ්‍රී ලංකන් නාම දෙගොල්ලම එදා දවස ceasefire, right? එදා දවසේ යුද්ධ නැහැ, සටන් නැහැ. ඇයි? මැච් එක බලන්න. You see how cricket has influenced the people, right? යුද්ධයක් නතර කරන්න පුළුවන් ක්‍රීඩාවකට, right? තරහකාරයෝ හතුරු එක තැනකට ගේන්න පුළුවන්, right? මේ අය එක තැනකට ගන්න පුළුවන් ක්‍රීඩාවකට, right? යුද්ධයක් නතර කරලා මැච් එක බලනවා කියලා කියන්නේ. That is how people respect the cricketers. That is the topic of Sangakkara's speech. What is it? Spirit of cricket. Right? But you are a hero. If you were to die, it would be a great loss for our country. So if the soldier dies, nothing happens. The soldier is ready to die, and if he dies, he says, "It's okay if I die." But you are a hero. You are a hero of the country. You are a hero of the people. You are a hero of the soldiers. So if you were to die, it's a great loss for the country. I was taken aback. I was shocked. Sangakkara says, I was shocked. How can this man value his life less than mine? All of us love our lives, right? We just think of our lives, right? That's why we try to protect ourselves. We like to live and we want to protect our lives. නේද? දැන් කාගෙන් හරි threat එකක් අපේ ජීවිතයට තියෙනවා නම් අපි මොකද කරන්නේ? නේ? පෞද්ගලික ආරක්ෂාවේ අයිතිය කියලා නීතියකුත් තියෙනවනේ. කවුරු හරි කෙනෙක් මාව මරන්න එනවා නම් ඒ කෙනාව මරන්න නීතියෙන් අයිතිය මට තියෙනවා. මගේ ජීවිතය ආරක්ෂා කර ගැනීම වෙනුවෙන් මට පුළුවන් පුද්ගලික ආරක්ෂාවේ අයිතිය පාවිච්චි කරලා ඒ මරන්න ආපු කෙනාව මරන්න. Right? So that's even the law. එහෙම තියෙද්දි. So we are not ready to die. Right? If somebody tries to kill us, we can kill them. Definitely. We will fight and kill and save our life. But this soldier says, you are a hero. It's okay if I die. So it's a shock to Sangakkar. How can this man undervalue his life? Right? Treating me or my life as valuable and his life less valuable. How can this happen? His sincerity was overwhelming. Extreme sincerity. I felt humble. Right? When such a person appreciates, praises my life and talking to me as a hero, I feel humble. Right? Now this is the lesson. The last 2 lines. This is the passion that cricket and cricketers have evoked in Sri Lankans. Right? This is the passion, this is the desire, this is the strong feeling the people have. This is the strong feeling, love people have, the Sri Lankans have for cricketers. They are ready to die. Their lives are less valuable than the cricketers' lives. That is their love. That is how they respect and love the cricketers. This is the passion that cricket and cricketers have evoked in Sri Lankans. This is the spirit of cricket in Sri Lanka. This is the love that I strive every day to be, every day of my career to be worthy of. In my career, that means in my cricket, Sangakkar says, in my cricket career, this is the love that I strive, that I fight every day for. Because of their love, I fight every day in cricket. I mean, යනවා නේද සීරීස් එකක් පරණ ප්ලේයර්ස් ලගේ මැච් සීරීස් එකක් දැක්කද ඒකෙත් සංගක්කාරගේ performances still people love him, right? Still people admire, praise Sangakkara's performances. This is the love Sangakkara has won from the Sri Lankans, right? This is the passion that cricket and cricketers evoke in the Sri Lankans. This is the love that I strive every day of my career to be worthy of. Right? So Sangakkara takes this experience and this experience. These soldiers regard Sangakkara as a hero. Why? That is the spirit of cricket. Right? This is the love of the Sri Lankans. This is the nature of the Sri Lankans.